this story, we'll see that how you can see deleted messages on Snapchat in just few steps. So like, if you open Snapchat and open this contact, like if this user sent me message and delete it from his side, then Snapchat will not allow me to see deleted messages. So there is another way to see these deleted messages. So simply click back, and here you have to click on this profile icon on the left side. After clicking this, then you will find this gear icon on right top side. You have to click on that, and here you will in settings. Then you have to simply scroll down, and here you will get this my data. Simply tap on that, and in my data you find this sum of options like user information, chat history, and chat history includes snap history, chat history, my AI, and talk history all. So here we have to uncheck this all and simply check one chat history like me, and then simply click on next. And here you will find date range. You can select date range from here, and you have to write your email address here. Then simply click on submit, and Snapchat will send downloaded file on your given email where you can find deleted messages on Snapchat. So that's how you can see deleted messages on Snapchat in just few steps.